This is the body of the uterus. This is the cavity. Here are the fallopian tubes, and it has this finger-like structure known as fimbriae. Right close to that is your ovary. Ovary contains many baby eggs known as follicle, one of which becomes bigger and bigger until it becomes the dominant follicle, which finally ruptures and forms the ovum or the egg. Mature ovum breaks out of the ovary, and that's known as ovulation. After ovulation, the egg is floating around until it's picked up by the finger-like fimbriae and transported into the tube. The egg then starts its journey towards the uterus. This is a sperm. After intercourse, millions of sperm travel upwards from the vagina into the uterine cavity and towards the fallopian tube. If ovulation occurs around the same time, the egg and the sperm can meet inside the fallopian tube, and this is what is known as fertilization. The fertilized egg will remain within the tube for some days until it starts to divide and grows bigger and bigger. After a few days, the fertilized egg or embryo will travel inwards inside the uterus and get stuck inside the uterine cavity. This is known as implantation. Embryo slowly grows bigger and bigger and then forms the fetus or the baby.